Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of blue eyes. Did you know that everyone with blue eyes shares a common ancestor? That's right. Somewhere way back in time, a single genetic mutation occurred, and boom, blue eyes were born. Stick around to uncover 13 amazing secrets behind blue eyes. We'll explore the science of light and genetics, delve into surprising health connections, and even bust a few myths along the way. Get ready to see the world through a whole new blue light, that is. You know how families often share similar features, like that one aunt with the infectious laugh or a cousin with the same nose as your grandpa? Well, it turns out everyone with blue eyes is part of one giant extended family. Scientists have traced this back to a single ancestor who lived between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago. This ancestor, hanging out somewhere in northern Europe, experienced a genetic mutation that led to blue eyes. And talk about a legacy, this one mutation spread like wildfire through generations, giving us the dazzling array of blue-eyed folks we see today. Okay, get this, blue eyes don't actually contain any blue pigment, it's true, think about it. We have melanin, the stuff that gives color to our skin, hair, and yes, even our eyes. But melanin comes in brown, black, and reddish-yellow hues. So where does blue come in? It's all thanks to the magic of light. The structure of the iris, the colored part of the eye, scatters light in a way that makes blue wavelengths more prominent. It's similar to why the sky appears blue. It's all about how the atmosphere scatters sunlight. For a long time we thought eye color inheritance was as simple as a single gene. Brown eyes dominant, blue eyes recessive. But hold on, it turns out eye color is way more complex than that. It's like a giant puzzle, with at least 16 different genes playing a role. These genes interact in intricate ways, influencing melanin production and distribution in the iris. That's why predicting eye color isn't always straightforward, and sometimes, babies surprise us with unexpected shades. Chapter 4. While blue eyes might seem quite common, in the United States, they're actually less prevalent than brown eyes. Only about 27% of Americans rock the baby blues, making them more unique than brown, but not as rare as green or hazel eyes. It's fascinating how eye color distribution varies across the globe, reflecting migration patterns and genetic inheritance over centuries. Chapter 5. Now here's a word of caution for all my blue-eyed friends. Because your eyes have less melanin, that protective pigment, they're more sensitive to the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. This means you're at a higher risk for certain eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. So, next time you're heading out, remember to sport those stylish sunglasses and protect your precious peepers. Chapter 6. Have you ever noticed how many babies seem to have blue eyes? It's especially common in Caucasian infants. But here's the thing, those baby blues might not stick around. As babies grow, their melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin, kick into gear. This means their eye color can change over time, often darkening to brown, green, or hazel. So, if your little one has those mesmerizing blue eyes, enjoy them while they last. Melanin, the eye's guardian angel. Melanin isn't just about adding color to our eyes, it plays a vital role in protecting them too. Think of it as the eye's natural sunscreen. It absorbs harmful UV rays, shielding delicate eye tissues from damage. Since blue eyes have less melanin, they're more susceptible to sun-related eye problems. So, remember folks, sunglasses aren't just a fashion statement, they're an essential part of eye health. Alcohol tolerance. Myth or reality? You might have heard whispers about blue-eyed people handling their alcohol better. Is there any truth to this? Well, the jury's still out on that one. Some studies suggest a possible link between eye color and alcohol tolerance, but the evidence is far from conclusive. It's important to remember that alcohol affects everyone differently, and there's no magic eye color that makes you immune to its effects. Personality and eye color. Reading between the lines. Can we really judge a person's personality by their eye color? While it's tempting to draw connections, the science just isn't there to back it up. Sure, some studies have explored potential links between eye color and personality traits, but the results have been mixed and often contradictory. So for now, let's chalk it up to folklore rather than scientific fact. Chapter 10. Health Considerations, a closer look. As we've learned, blue eyes come with less melanin, which means less protection from the sun's harmful rays. This can increase the risk of certain eye conditions, such as uveal melanoma, a type of eye cancer. Blue-eyed individuals might also be more susceptible to age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Chapter 11. Blue eyes, a cultural phenomenon. Throughout history and across cultures, blue eyes have held a certain allure. In many Western societies, they're often associated with beauty, intelligence, and even trustworthiness. This perception has influenced everything from art and literature to Hollywood casting choices and even dating preferences. It's a fascinating example of how our physical traits can be imbued with cultural meanings. Chapter 12. Pain Tolerance, a Blue-Eyed Threshold. Here's another intriguing tidbit. Some research suggests that people with blue eyes might perceive pain differently. One study found that blue-eyed women reported less pain during childbirth compared to their brown-eyed counterparts. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and understand the underlying mechanisms. Chapter 13. Evolution's Gift, a Survival Advantage. Why did blue eyes persist and spread throughout human populations? Scientists believe the blue eye mutation might have offered some survival advantage. One theory suggests that blue eyes were more attractive to potential mates, increasing reproductive success. Another possibility is that blue eyes were better suited for the lower light conditions of Northern Europe, where the mutation first appeared. That's a wrap on blue eyes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the science behind blue eyes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Don't forget to share your eye color stories in the comments below. Do you have blue eyes? Have they always been blue? Let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.